Alright, hey there YouTube. This is going to be part 2 of installing the stuff here. I'm going to go ahead and quit tonight, and I've got everything done except I got to put the antenna on and run the coax. But we'll save that for tomorrow. It's getting too cold out here. But okay, so there's the distribution block or fuse block there. So your 4-gauge wire going in, your 4-gauge wire coming out, loomed all the way back to the amplifier, and then 8-gauge going to all the CB stuff. Stand by and I'll show you inside. Alrighty, so here we are in the truck. I've got all this installed. I'm going to take it out and show you how I did it, in case anyone's interested in doing this. Here's the power switch to turn everything on here. And there you go. I'll probably leave the striker red. That's pretty easy on your eyes. The voltmeter there is red. And in the future, I'll pull this out and I'll put red LEDs in there. So everything, at least these two match. And then you can, I guess, do whatever color you want on the striker there. Yeah, blues, I like blue, but it's a little harsh on your eyes at night. So there you go. You see everything works. That there will still be the remote for the amp. Alright, stand by. Let me get this out of here, and I'll show you how I put it in. As you can see no brackets or anything. I'll show you how I did it. And you may have seen this. This here's a plug. I made a little washer with carpet on it. Phillips screw with the washer and a nut on the backside. You guys guess what that's for? It lines up perfectly with the side mic on a Galaxy radio. So if I want to put one of those in there, plug the mic in right there. I actually have a little extension I can put in there and then plug the mic in on the outside. But that's why I did that. Alright, stand by. Okay, got the box lifted off. You can see what I did. Made myself a frame out of 2x2. And on the bottom, a 1x2. And I had to notch the section there for the heatsink for the radio. But there you go. That's all screwed and glued. And then there's 2 screws anchoring it to the floor. Two metal screws anchoring it to the floor, as you can see. And that thing's solid. And the box fits on there like a glove. Fits right on there. Let me show you a side of, you can see it, 2x2 on the side. Stand by. Not sure if I can show you this, but there you go. See how it fits right down on there. So now it's on there, and that thing fits like a glove. So now on each side, I can just run 2 drywall screws right through it into that 2x2, and a sucker's going to be anchored down solid. And then if I want to remove it, just pull the 2 screws out. Actually, I only need 1 screw on each side. One, I guess, 1 5/8 drywall screw, and we're good to go. But I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. The amp's back there, it's all wired up. I just have to still make my mount for it. And I'll go ahead and, man, I'm going to tackle this antenna tomorrow. I'm not sure how I'm going to get in here to do this. I don't want to, it's a 20-year-old headliner. It's great condition. I don't want to start destroying it. So I'm going to pop this light out first. Look in there. If I can't do anything in there, and then I'm going to think about, gently pulling the headliner down to get in there. Because ideally, I probably want the antenna about right here is where I want it in the roof. That's about right about the center of the roof right there. That would be perfect. So we'll see. But that'll be tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I did another video on my GPS and dash cam install. Go ahead and show you. Got my GPS attached to my rearview mirror there, and There's my dash cam right there. And, you know, there's the power coming down. I really couldn't hide that. I had to get power to it. And it's all wired up to the key. So I'll show you. Oh, I don't have the key on me. But anyway, turn the key on, they both power on. Turn the key off, they both power off. So just a little extra. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.